Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and share something that is absolutely awesome with you. It's incredible because what happens is it's free to join, it's a passive income for you, and you earn this passive income from not only walking but doing everything that you do normally. It records everything for you, and it can automatically connect to existing apps. So there's Apple on there, there's Google Play Store, there's Fitbit, there's Samsung, and there's a few other different things. Now it's really great to do. It's easy, it's simple, and it's free. So we'll go ahead and have a look at that in a second. If this is the first time that you're on your channel, my name is Mark and welcome here. I quickly just want to say to you, this here is my blog, Not Taught at School, and if I just scroll down here, you can see I pretty much blog about earning money online, simple ways to make money online. So everything I'm sharing with you on my YouTube channel, I'm also going ahead and sharing that on my blog. And here on the right hand side, you will see we've got the best free resources available. So basically I've got a members area, it's free to join, and in there there's ebooks, there's PDFs and there's courses, and they're all about how you can earn money online. And simple to do, put in your name, put in your email, and then you'll get access to the freebies in the vault here. So you can see here, I can guarantee that you won't find these anywhere else. Some of these are my own courses, some of them are PDFs that I have had created for me specifically. So if you're interested in earning money online, go ahead and grab these freebies. So let's talk about today's video. So let me jump into the website for you. So this here is the website. It's called achievement.com. It says here, we seriously pay you to track your steps. Now, how do you get paid? You get paid via PayPal or direct deposit. So that's good because some of the videos we've looked at in the past few days, they only paid out via PayPal, but this one does PayPal and also bank direct deposits. And you can earn for tracking your steps, sleep, meals, tweets and more. And it's free to sign up, and then you can start earning. And it's basically points equal prizes. So the more points you get, the more money you can get, and then you get that withdrawn to your bank. Now, if we just scroll down here, so it says here, connect an app and earn points for healthy activities. So at this moment in time, there's over 1.5 million members on there, and you can connect to over 30 different apps that are either on the Android store or Google, and also the iOS app, so Apple. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you these apps in a little bit more detail when I log into my account, but it just shows you some of the different ones here where you can connect them to. And then if we just scroll down here, it talks about how much they've paid out. So they've already paid out over £500,000 to members. Now, it's this line here that you want to be looking at. Earn $10 for every 10,000 points. Rewards are paid out within 3 to 7 business days. So you're not going to earn your $10 until you've earned 10,000 points. Now, this isn't going to make you rich by any means at all, but if you're already walking, you're already sleeping, etc. So this is passive income because you set it up once and then you don't need to do anything with that. Just go ahead and register an account. It's free to do. I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Connect it to your app, whether that's a Fitbit, whether that's Twitter, whether that's Google, whatever it may be. And then you just do what you normally do, and it's just tracking it for you, and then you earn points. And it's really great. So if I scroll down here, you can see these are some of the different companies where they're either working with them or they've had articles written on them. And they've got the usual stuff down here. So they've got all the different social profiles, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. But you can see here, so you can get the app on the Google Play Store or the App Store. So this is the App Store. You can see here it's had 8,000 ratings with 4.7. So that's pretty good for a review on Apple. Go over to Google. They've had coming up to 4,000 downloads, and you can see here again the rating, it's over 4, but not actually so whether it's 4. It looks like it's 4.3. So available on Android or iPhone. Now this, like I said, this is free to do. So what I'll do is I'll quickly go into here and show you this. So once you sign up, and you can do that via your Facebook account or email, whichever one you want to do. This is the home page, so this is how it will look for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and connect an app. So you click on connect app, and then you'll come to this page here, and here are, look, so there's 27 apps that you can go and connect. So you've got Apple Health, you've got Fitbit, you've got Google Fit, you've got Garmin, Espresso. There's well, there's 27 different ones that you can go ahead and connect in here. And then once you've connected it and it's synced to the app, that's it, done for you. And then you're just going to start earning points for going ahead and doing what you would normally do. Now, if we'll go back to this home page here, you can see there's other things on here. So complete a health survey, you earn 200 points. You've then got, do you prefer to work out with a friend? So you can go ahead and invite a friend on here and you get a point. In fact, it's here, friend referral bonus. So any friends that you invite to this app, you will earn an extra 100 points. And then there's other things on here about competitions and an employer survey. If I just move my head here, you can see here employer survey. It says take survey. So you can go ahead and do surveys and that sort of stuff if you want. But if you want this to be a truly passive income, you connect it to your app and then get it connected to the app, let it sync, and then that's it. Just continue doing what you normally do. And the fact that it connects into Fitbit and Google and Apple as well, I think everyone's got one of those different 3 apps, haven't they? Really. So go back over here. Yeah, we've also got bike, exercise, run, swimming, yoga. There's also, I saw on here as well about, let me go down. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? There's one of these apps where basically this will take a bit of time on your time. It's basically you're going ahead and you're uploading your meals or calories that you've eaten for the day, and then you earn points for that. Now that's not passive, but the rest of it is. So exercise, sleep, walk, you wait, run, jog, bike, swim, yoga. Oh, this was what I was looking for. Log your food here, this one here, this Dexcom. So this is a great way to earn a passive income. And for people, I mean, my wife's got a Fitbit and she has something similar set up. Now hers is set up to a work program, so the more steps she does, then she gets payments and bonuses via her work. So that's separate to this app. But it's simple, it's easy, and it's free. And just go ahead, connect your account, and then you're good to go. And then you just earn money, earn points from doing what you normally do, and then points equal prizes, and we all love prizes. So if we do this, go back here. So this is the offers page. You've then got the activity. So if I click on here, it will show you any activity that you've done on there. So you can see here, this is my total points because I joined this today. I did a bit of research on it yesterday, and then I went ahead and joined this just before I actually started shooting this video. So any activity that you do, it will be in the activity tab, and then the account, obviously that's your account. So this company here, this myachievement.com, huge company. They've been out for a few years now. They're working with big brands. The social profiles are all at the bottom along here: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. If I show you the Facebook profile, scroll down here, you can see they've got over 103,000 people like them on Facebook, and it's similar on all of the other different social channels, to be honest with you. So that is pretty much it. That is today's video. So make money walking, simple passive income. You're not going to earn hundreds of thousands, but you are going to earn money for doing what you normally do. So yeah, that's it, done. That is today's video. And lastly, my blog here, I'll drop a link to this below. If you're interested in more ways to make money online, then go over to my blog, hit on the make money section, and it'll bring up lots and lots of articles for you about different ways you can earn money online. I also go ahead and share what's working for me, what's not. I trial things, I test it, and then I share results on here. So you can see this one here, how to earn Bitcoin for free, update and results. And then yeah, there's all different articles on here about earning money online. There's different products where I've gone ahead and reviewed products and given my feedback on them. And yeah, that's it really. So thank you very much for watching today's video, and I shall see you tomorrow.